Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Things from the Internet. There's certainly quite a lot to be said for the phrase, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. And this might be personified in a big way by the product that we're looking at today. This is the Feuerhand Baby Special 725 Hurricane Lamp. These lanterns have been made by the Feuerhand company for the best part of a century, and they actually still come stamped made in West Germany, which I think is quite interesting. In today's era of 12-month product cycles and endless design revisions, there's something very endearing about a product that's so perfectly designed, so streamlined for its intended use case that it makes the idea of a redesign essentially pointless. Apart from maybe some minor cosmetic changes, I really can't see any way that this design could be improved. If you've got some ideas, let me know in the comments because I'd really love to hear your input. So this lamp is made from galvanized steel with a nice thick powder coat. My unit came in this funky fire truck red, and the finish is really smooth and quite glossy as well. It really looks beautiful in old-fashioned, old-school kind of way. It also feels really strong and solidly built. When you hold this lamp in your hands and actually put it to use, it just exudes quality. I feel like you could probably kick this thing down a flight of stairs and it would be absolutely fine. The Baby Special takes standard lamp oil, which is really cheap and really easy to find. The fuel is stored in the base, which can hold around half a pint. The guys at Feuerhand say it should be good for around 20 hours of light, which should get you through several evenings before it needs refueling. I've been using this lamp quite a lot in the last few weeks. I've unfortunately been working from home quite a bit and working late. And I have to say that the light this thing gives off just has a really nice character. It's obviously much warmer and more mellow than an ordinary bulb would be, but it's also a lot brighter than any candle could ever be. I think we're so used to electric lighting these days that, you know, the orange kind of flickering glow of an old lamp is actually quite a novelty. I've really enjoyed it. I've been using this in my workshop as well as in the office. In fact, I'm using it right now to write this script and record the voiceover. Let's not forget that before the electric light bulb came around, hurricane lamps like this were actually, you know, the preferred way to keep working or to keep playing after the sun went down. While the lamp burns, fresh air is drawn in through the crown at the top of the lamp. It flows down these hollow arms at both sides and feeds the lamp from the bottom. The resulting flame burns surprisingly bright, actually, with almost no odour and definitely no smoke. I was expecting the lamp to get really quite hot in use, but I was actually pleasantly surprised on this front. Even after several hours, the lamp was certainly warm, but definitely not hot at all. I could even touch the glass bulb for a few seconds with my hands without fear of burning myself. The flame can be adjusted up and down with this dial at the base. Turn it clockwise to increase the size and intensity of the flame, and counterclockwise to do the opposite. Halfway up the lamp is a small lever which is used to open up the bulb to light or extinguish the wick. It's worth mentioning that, true to the Hurricane lamp name, I've not had this lamp extinguish itself without a deliberate effort. Finally, the bulb can be removed for cleaning by simply pulling up on the crown at the top of the lamp. Being an almost century-old design, the people at Feuerhand must have recouped their original investment long ago, because this lamp actually comes in at quite a reasonable price. I was able to get hold of this unit for the small sum of £25, which I think is really quite cheap when you consider that you're probably going to hand this thing down to your grandkids. Okay, that is it for this episode, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We release 2 episodes every week. Each episode we take a look at something interesting or weird or strange from around the internet, and we get it on the show and we talk about it. See you next time.
This video was brought to you by DeadeyeClub.com, makers of the Wishbone EDC slingshot. Head over there now and consider picking up their $100 Mischief Kit, which includes everything you need to start shooting a slingshot. The Wishbone itself, 3 replacement band sets, and some ammo. It's the most fun you can have for $100 and you'll be supporting the channel.